Ke United Democratic Party UDP ke badai ke Waina ki Seng Riewlum ba la rim ha ke Jylla kala khot ya baro ki Seng Riewlum ba kentopru ya ke VPP Ïatreilang na ke Bynta ke bah ke Miat jong ki trai muluk hapo tang ke wei ke Syatri. Uno ya lambat Presiden ke UDP ba med ba ding dol ong ba keno ke Seng ke bakam ba ke dei ke Seng Riewlum kala dei ke por ban Ïatreilang ke wei.
From my side, what I would like to say here that it is good that many parties, political parties, are there so that people can have a choice. Because sometimes, even with 4, 5 parties also, you will notice that there is always a nota when it comes to the EVM machines, correct? So which means people don't want to go with any of the political parties which are already there who are putting up their candidates, but they'll go with nota. So I think if one more party is there, perhaps that will give more choices to the people to have a choice. But one thing which I would like to say here, whichever party that claims to be a regional party, I think it's high time for us that we have to think seriously and see that we come together and work as one. That is the only message that I would like to give. Whoever claims to be the original party and who claims to be for the indigenous people, working for them. So I feel that is what we would like. That is why we were working together with HSPB with that kind of motive us. Because as regional parties, it is very situation demands that we have to come together and we have to work together as far as the interest of the people of our own state, the indigenous people which you are talking about. See, I'm talking in a very open, manner where anybody, any party who claims to be a regional party or a party who feels that they have been fighting for the indigenous people. So that is what I want to be very clear from. Right. Yeah, you see, because there's a lot of difference when you talk about national party and a regional party. Okay, the regional party, basically we talk about the manifesto and whatever we talk in the objective always is always for the interest of the local and indigenous people with the respect to other communities as well. That is what I want to mention here very clearly, that the difference with the national party is basically they have to look at the national interest. Some or many used to say that we are a local party, but we have a very with a national outlook. I think if you go by history, I have nothing to say as far as whoever wants to set up or bring a new political party. Okay, it's up to them. I have no comment on that or nothing to interfere with that. I don't want to step in that platform. But what I wanted to say here, by experience and for the last 16, 17 years in politics, and by the history itself, we have seen that if multiple regional parties are there in the state, I think it's not a good sign, and I don't see it's a good future for the indigenous people and for those who have been working for the indigenous people. That is what I could come to the conclusions.